On March 8, 2023, Freddie was driving his orange Gabriel Grand Marshal through East Coast USA. He was coming home from shopping in town. At the same time, Milan was driving a semi-truck hauling a tanker. He was in a hurry because he was late with his delivery. As Freddie was approaching an intersection, he was around 2 miles from his home. Suddenly, Milan ran to stop. As Freddie was approaching an intersection, he was around 2 miles from his home. Suddenly, Milan stopped. Freddie's car on the passenger side. Melissa, who saw the accident, quickly pulled over and called 911. Milan fled after he saw what he caused. Melissa couldn't get a picture of his license plate, and she was busy helping Freddie. Freddie was transported to a hospital and was released later that day.
Freeze out of control.